Guys, yan po yung hollow blocks namin guys. It's B4 hydraulics machine po yan guys. Yung fabricator niyan. Yan, dami yan. 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 Yan po yung it's B4 namin guys. Oh. Yan guys. Oh. Yan guys, dami yan guys. Ayan. Yan. 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 Dami yan guys, oh. Gaano kadami yan guys. Yan. Yan. Then, ito yung size namin guys. Yan, size. Yan. Yan, size namin guys, oh. Yan. Yan. Size namin. Yan. Hollow blocks namin yan. Guys, size namin yan. Hollow blocks yan. Yun. Oh. Dami. Dami yan guys. Guys. Oh. Yan. Ikutin ko to guys ha, yung hollow blocks natin yan. Yan. Yun. Paikutin guys. Yan. Ito pahaba. Yun. Yun. Yan. Yan guys. Dami guys ha. Isang araw lang to guys, 10,000 guys. Yan. Oh. Kita nyo guys. Oh yan guys, yan. Yan guys, gaano kalawak ng haba guys yan. Ito yung CHB4, CHB6 namin na hollow blocks guys, jack belt yan. Yan. Tapos ito yung nakakamada na guys, yan. 12 patong yan guys. Yung doon. Yan. Oh. Yan. Yan. Oh. Yan guys. Oh. Lawak guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Oh guys. Hindi na siraan guys. Oh. Yan. Hollow blocks yan guys. Dami yan guys. Oh. Yan. Yan guys. Oh. Yan yung pisto namin guys. Pakalawak ito guys. Okay, thank you guys. Please watching. Thank you again. And share to my videos. Ayan mga idol, yan. Tawak nito idol, hanggang doon idol, oh. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for watching guys. See you again. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan guys, i-share yung video ko sa YouTube channel, ah, tsaka TikTok, Facebook account. Tsaka pa-engage na rin ako mga idol sa lahat ng mga idol ko sa friends ko sa Facebook, tsaka YouTube or TikTok. Okay. Take care mga idol.